Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to show you how you can easily optimize your page to be able to get invitations on Upwork without even connections. So, in the past, as you can see, I've gotten invited to submit my proposal on Upwork without connections, and this was what I did to be able to get this invitation. Fine. As you can see, I am not, in as much as I'm a medical virtual assistant, I hardly use Upwork. I've only used it like once. And to be honest, I prefer LinkedIn and other pages. But I'm going to show you how I was able to optimize my page to be able to get invitations, and how I've never used my own connections to apply for a job before. So what I'm going to do is first to optimize my profile, my Upwork profile. So to optimize my Upwork profile, I am going to write everything about me as a medical virtual assistant. First of all, I will write my um headline, my title here: certified medical virtual assistant, medical scheduler, right? Oh, I think there is a mistake with this. Okay, let me correct that. All right, so yeah, this is my title. This is everything I do. This is my page. Is well optimized. I can see my earnings. I don't use Upwork at all, but I get invitations, right? But this is how I optimized my page with all the necessary keywords. This is my video, obviously, right? Is not very necessary, but as a beginner, as someone who is on Upwork for the first time, you need a video. So this is my video, right? To show that I am actually who I say I am. And this is what I do. These are the tools that I work with, sorry, tools that I use. Some of the tools, these are just some of them that I use. I didn't put down everything. And this is my some of the portfolios, right? Some of the things that I've done project management, medical purchasing assistant, investor lead generation, and so much more. So how was I able to get invitations on Upwork without buying connections? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So first of all, what I will do, let me say I'm new on Upwork. I have not optimized my Upwork page or anything. So what I'm going to do first is that I will go on Upwork and search for talents, right? When I search for talents, and because I'm a medical virtual assistant, I'm gonna click talents. That's talents are basically people who are doing the same thing. Sorry, that I do. So I'm gonna click medical virtual assistant. Then I will see other people, right? These are other people that are medical virtual assistant. They are top with 100% success. So I'm gonna go and copy all of these things. I'll go here, copy all their tags. These are tags. So I'll copy all the tags. I'll say medical, transcription, healthcare, content writing. Then I'll go to ChatGPT, say medical transcription, healthcare, content writing. This one is for those who want to write, right? I think this one is a writer too. So I will do all of these things: EMR, data entry, email communication, medical billing, right? EMR, data entry, medical communication, medical billing, right? So I'm going to do this thing repeatedly for 20 profiles, right? I'm going to do this thing repeatedly for 20 profiles. Just copy the tags. These are the specific keywords that they use. Then after doing that for 20 specific profiles, top rated profiles, I'll now come to jobs. right? And then do the same thing. And this is not just for medical virtual assistants, this is also for, let me say, whatever role that you're doing. As long as you want to work on Upwork and get connections, so invitations to apply. So I'll do the same thing for jobs, and then I'll click on jobs, look for receptionist, medical billing, and virtual assistants. You can see now hiring, right? Then like lead generation, billing, everything under what I do. I'm just gonna copy all of them. Medical receptionist, recep- receptionists, lead generation, all those tags, all of these tags that I'm seeing here, all these things are tags. You can see where my these things are, my arrow is pointing. Virtual assistant, organizational background, virtual assistant, organizational background. I'm not going to copy everything here, but I'm just trying to let you guys know because I don't like my videos being very long. So do this same one. For this one does not have a tag. You can do this one. This one, lead generation, list building, everything on that what you're actually applying for. See scheduling, Google workspace, healthcare management, scheduling, Google Workspace, that's a platform. Workspace, healthcare management. Okay, so when I've gotten all of these things from the 20, no, remember I'm going to take 20 from talents and take 20 from what? From jobs, right? So I'll go on ChatGPT and paste all of them. Like you're going to paste every single thing, one, two, three, four, five. You can open it and see more. I just open it, scroll down, you see all of them. You see all of them. Just copy all of them like this and paste on ChatGPT. Then ask ChatGPT to show you the top ones. Obviously, it's not going to show me so much because it was just my network is not very strong, but it's not going to show me so much because it's just a few that I copied. So ChatGPT is going to show you the most used, like mostly used keywords, mostly used tags. So what you're going to do is that you're going to copy all those keywords, copy all of them. My network has issue at the moment, so obviously I cannot like do more than this. So you copy all of them and come to your own profile, come to your own profile and paste it. Yeah, copy all of them and don't just paste, like paste it reasonably, right? You can see most of these things I copied them and pasted, like administrative support and virtual assistant, like this one. You can see all of them, but you have to paste, just make it match with the bio, don't just copy and paste. Then you also come to there's an experience section. You also copy it and paste in that experience section. So basically what this thing is going to do is that it's going to rank your profile so that whenever somebody comes searches for this particular skill, your profile is going to rank, and they can easily send you invitations to submit a proposal or to interview. Do you understand? So you don't have to even buy connections. Sometimes you don't have to waste money on connections. Sometimes. So that's it for this. This is very very easy. It's an easy way to optimize your profile. It's an easy way to use Upwork without paying for connections, without buying connections. And thank you guys for watching. And yeah, this is my first video on YouTube. So please like, subscribe, tell your friends. I'm going to post everything about medical virtual assistants, how to use all the tools so that it's easier for you guys to navigate and use. So thank you very much and see you in the next one in a short time. Bye.